Still standing at the truck? You gotta shut his doors and shit. You're not live yet, Dad.
Yeah, I am.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
Oh, now you are. Oh, he's walking across. He's walking across.
Tell him now. Call him.
I'm calling him.
Now.
I'm calling him.
Hit the icon.
How's it going, guys?
He's walking across now.
Black coat, black bag.
Black coat, black bag. Yep.
I don't think the sound's on.
Alrighty. Bye.
How's it going, guys? Beautiful day, right?
Carly, I'm hanging up. Love you, bye.
Bye-bye.
Love you, bye.
Of course, this truck is going to pull out and probably stop.
Turn down my volume.
No, it's not. I got him. I got him. Here comes our guy right now. Hopefully they get here before he gets in.
They're right here beside me.
There.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, there he goes. We'll get out here so I can get you a better view, guys. Another truck driver. He came for two 15-year-old girls today. We'll post his whole name and a better picture of him here once. Thanks so much, guys. Believe me, your support means the world to us. We're in Brookville, guys. He's another truck driver just passing through. That's what these guys do. Yes, this is in Brookville, guys. Hey. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot, John. Appreciate it, buddy. Get you up here. He's gonna get a new residence here. Alright, I want you to hold this. You don't need to put your phone, right?
No, look at the bag.
Yeah.
Where's it at?
Don't get me with this. Right?
I assume you guys caught.
814 Pred Hunters. 814 Pred Hunters.
Oh, let's go.
That's the big guy standing over there talking to the chief.
It's fantastic. Well, I'm glad you guys got, because I watch on TikTok.
We're on Facebook.
Oh, you guys are on Facebook. Oh, nice.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I'm glad you got them, because sick world we live in today.
Absolutely.
That is for sure. That's great. That's awesome.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you for what you
Thank
do, because sick people in this world.
Yes, there is.
My wife's a teacher, so, you know, with kids all the time.
Yeah.
There's some sick people,
Oh, there's
you know.
beyond sick.
I'm running.
Okay.
But,
Yeah,
no,
beyond
I
sick.
appreciate what you do, because I was like,
Thank
what
you.
did this guy do?
He came for two 15-year-old girls. Yep.
Man.
Yep. His next trip, he was going to pick them up and take them the whole way to West Virginia or somewhere. Yeah.
Sick bastard.
Yeah. Yep.
Where's he going now? Is there like
He's gone to Jefferson County Jail. Well, he'll go to the police station and
yeah.
then he'll be transported to
I
Jefferson
assume
County
he's a
Jail.
truck driver.
Yeah.
Girl, what?
What's that?
Was he here to meet a young girl?
Yes, sir. He was. Two of them.
Was he a truck driver?
Yeah.
Wait, what happened?
Where's the truck at?
I can't tell you.
Oh, I mean, but you contacted the company and shit?
Oh, he owns his own truck.
Oh.
Wait, what happened?
He just came to meet two 15-year-old girls.
Man, stop.
Yeah, swear to. That's why he left in the police car. That's what we do. Look us up, 814 Pred Hunters. We're on Facebook. I'm actually live right now.
Wait. That's awesome, man. Hey, great job, man.
Thanks, brother.
No, yeah, that's awesome.
So wait.
I don't want to get you on the live, but
Huh?
I don't want to get you on the live. I'm live right now.
Why this man just caught a man? Look, this man just caught a man trying to get two young teenage girls, and they work for who?
814 Pred Hunters.
So they work for this man works for 814 Predator Hunter.
Not Predator, Pred. Pred, just P-R-E-D.
P-R-E-D. Yeah. So
Is this you guys?
Yep, that's us right there. Yep.
Nonprofit. Awesome.
All right, well, I'm going to finish up my live here. But hey,
Thank you,
thank
sir.
you. Appreciate it. All right, guys. That's another one down. We're going to keep clicking them off. They come after a damn child, they're going to jail. At least we hope so, anyhow. Some areas, you know, they don't go to jail, but hopefully here soon, everywhere they will. People will start respecting what us catch teams do. We'll hop back in here. All right. Hey, thanks so much, guys. Second. But anyhow, guys, that's another one off the streets. Like I said, he came for two 15-year-old girls. They've been talking for about a month. Like I said, we'll have his full name and a better picture of him here. I mean, you've seen him pretty good there, but we'll post a better picture of him. But he's a truck driver just passing through. So, but he's been talking to the decoys for about a month. And but yeah, but all right, guys, we're gonna hop off of here. Got some cool things coming up here. Maybe we'll see. We're working on some stuff, but We got a lot of other catches coming. Gonna be traveling some places. So we're in PA, Tiffany. Yeah, we're in Reynolds. No, in Brookville. Holy man, we're in Brookville, Pennsylvania. So, but all right, guys. Love yous all. You know that you mean the world to us here at 814. If it wasn't for yous guys, buying merchandise and donating money to us, we'd never be able to do what we do. So it means so much. But all right, guys, we're gonna hop off of here. Remember, stay thirsty, because 814 is always thirsty. See ya.